Yeah, hi Reva, how are you guys doing?
Hi Nia, I'm doing great. Thanks. How about you, Repa?
Hi Tia, hi Nia. I'm good thanks. Just busy with works as usually. What's up?
I was just thinking about something interesting today. Do you guys ever think about who you admire the most in your life?
That's a good question. There are definitely a few people who come. What about you, Repa?
Yeah, there are a few people I admire as well. What do you ask Nia?
I was just curious. I think it's fascinating to learn about who people look up to and why. It reveals a lot about their values and perspective. So, what do you guys admire?
Well, if I had to pick one person, if it would be my grandmother. She had influence in my life. What about you, Repa?
For me, it would be my old sister. She is always been my role model. And you Nia?
I really admire my high school teacher, Mr. Johnson. He had a significant impact on my life. But let's hear more about your grandmother, Cynthia. What makes her so special?
My grandmother is the strongest person I know. She raised 5 children on her own after my grandmother passed away. Despite all the hardships, she always remained optimistic and supportive. Her strength and resilience and incredible.
That's really inspiring. It must have been tough for her. What kind of values did she instill in you?
She she taught me the importance of hard work, kindness, and perspective. She always said that no matter how hard life gets, you should never give up. She also emphasized the importance of helping others and being there your family.
Those are such important values. It sounds like she had a really positive impact on your life. Do you have any specific memories with her stand out?
There are so many There are so many, but one that stands out in is when she taught me how to cook. We would spend hours in the kitchen together, and she would tell me stories about her childhood and our family history. It was a way for us to bond and learn about our heritage.
That sounds is wonderful. This must be some really precious memories. Cooking together can be such a great way to connect with family.
Absolutely. What about you, Reva? What makes your older sister so special?
Yeah, my sister is incredible, dedicated and hardworking. She always strived for excellence in everything she does. Growing up, she was like a second mother to me, always looking out for me and building me. I admire her drive and her ability to balance for career and personal life so well.
That's amazing. It's not often you find someone who can balance everything so well. Do you have any specific memories with her stand out?
One memory that stands out is it's when I was struggling with my schoolwork in high school. She took the time to tutor me every evening. Despite her busy schedule, her passion and dedication helped me improve my grades significantly. She always believed in me, even when I didn't believe in myself.
It sounds like she has been in great uh, role model for you. It's wonderful to have someone like that to look up to.
Absolutely. She is always been there for me, offering guidance and support. I really admire his resilience and her ability to stay positive even in tough situations.
That's incredible. It's amazing how much of an impact one person can have on our lives. Your sister sounds like a truly remarkable person.
I'm grateful to have her in my life. What about you, Mia? What makes Mr. Johnson so special to you?
Mr. Johnson was more than just a teacher to me. He was a mentor and a friend. He always encouraged me to think critically and to believe myself. He had this unique way of making a student feel valued and capable.
That's amazing. If it's not often you find a teacher who can have such a profound impact. What did he teach?
He talks history, but his lesson went beyond just that and even he made history come alive and show us how it's connected to the person. He also encouraged us to question things and to seek out knowledge on our own.
It sounds like a clear how to engage its students. Do you have any specific moments with him that were particularly memorable?
There was this one project where we had to research a historical event and present in creative way. I was really struggling with it, but Mr. Johnson spent extra time helping me. He didn't just give me the answer, but helped me to find them myself. The experience taught me a lot about perseverance and problem solving.
That's great example of effective teaching. Is clear he cared about his student learning and personal growth.
Definitely. He always went above and beyond for us. I think that's why he made such a lasting impression on me. He taught me the value of education and the importance of believing in yourself.
It's amazing how kind people can leave such a lasting impact on our life. Your story about Mr. Johnson reminds me of the importance of good mentors.
Absolutely. Good mentors are so important. They can really shape who we become. I feel lucky to have someone I like him in my life.
Me too. I think it's important to acknowledge and appreciate the people who have helped us along the way. It's easy to take their influence for granted sometimes.
You are right. I think sharing these stories is a great way to honor them. It also reminds us of the value they've instilled in us.
Actually, talking about it makes me appreciate Mr. Johnson even more. It's a nice way to reflect on his influence in my life.
Same here. It's a good reminder of how fortunate we are to have had such inspiring people in our lives.
Absolutely. I think it's important to strive to be like them in our own lives too, to carry forward their legacy in our own way.
That's a great point. It's a way of playing it forward. We can try to be the kind of person who others can look up to and be inspired by.
Exactly. It's a way to honor their memory and continue their positive influence. Thanks for having this conversation, Nia. It's been really meaningful.
Thanks, Tia. I've enjoyed too. It's nice to take moment to appreciate the people who made a difference in our lives.